Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to download, clone or copy private GitHub repository in GitHub. You know you can't normally download private GitHub repository. You also know username and password option is not working. So, let's see how to do it. First you need to get your GitHub repository link. Go to your GitHub account and next go to your GitHub repository. Now click on address bar and copy link. Paste copied link in Notepad. We need to set up personal access token in GitHub account, because we can't clone private GitHub repository without it. So, first go to your GitHub account. Next click on the circle icon on top right corner. Next click on the settings. Scroll down. Click on the developer settings. Click on the personal access tokens. Click on the tokens, classic. Click on the generate new token. Click on the generate new token, classic. Type any name here. Next you can choose validation time for this token. I use default time. Scroll down. Choose repo. Scroll down. Click on the generate token. OK, we successfully created token. Scroll down. Now you can see token. Click on the copy icon to copy token. Now we need to add token that we copied before to link, cause this is private GitHub repository. You need to paste your token between https:// and github.com. Now you need to add @ to at the end of the token. Now you need to add git clone text to the start of the link to run this as command. After that copy full command, go back to Linux system. Paste copied text and press enter. This takes some time. Now you can see our work is successful. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share my video.